Happy New Year, everybody. We are back with another video for the new year. Hope you guys had a wonderful holiday and week coming into the new year, and that your week's been great. We are jumping into where we left off in Sleep Token with Rain, and then we're going to do the live version of Rain. I put it up already from First Real Concerts. We've done some videos from his already, so should be pretty good. I saw a cover from Will Ramos, and we might do that at a later date, maybe when we finish this album or the lost tapes, which I'm hearing is out there somewhere. So I'll try to find those and do those as well. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. If you're new, my name is Rich. Welcome, 2025. Let's go.
For so long I've waited, so long that I almost became just a stoic statue fit for nobody, and I don't wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me.
This is like a vicious cycle with himself.
And just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing.
All right. I see. So it's like you're the light that brightened up my life type of thing. It seems like so far, and just like the rain. Yeah, cool.
You cast the dust into nothing and wash out the soul from my head.
And that
So
sorry again, that classic beat, doom, 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 doom. It's a little bit slower. It's the cadence between the, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. But it's classic.
touch me again. I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? It's that chemical cut through
Oh, chemicals.
down without like the moon and out like the hounds. A dangerous disposition somehow refracted in light, reflected in sound. I'm coiled up like a venomous serpent, tangled in your trance, and I'm certain you have got your hooks in me.
Hold on. I want to talk about that for a second. So this, not the reflected in light, but reflected in sound part, but the I'm coiled up like a venomous snake, kind of like he's like guarded, I guess. You know, snakes you coiled up. But then I think like the tangled in your trance is kind of like a snake charmer. So, but it's also kind of like dangerous because snakes are dangerous and venomous. And you said you have got your hooks in me. So I want to be like this hook that they grab the snake with, but it's more of, I guess some people use like a weird hook thing. Some people use like the little lasso thing. But yeah, that's interesting. I want a venomous serpent.
I know the way that it goes. You get what you give, you reap what you sow, and I can see you in my fate. And I know I am what I am, the mouth of the wolf, the eyes of the lamb. So darling, will you saturate?
That's another interesting part. Oh, I had to rewind a little bit. That's another interesting part. He's like, you get what you give, you reap what you sow. And normally when people say you reap what you sow, that's kind of used in like a negative way, where they're talking about like you'll get what's coming to you, or like karma will get you type of thing. I know normally in the positive way, it would be like, you know, you laid a foundation for good things to come to you. But when normally you reap what you sow is said to somebody or used as a phrase, it's normally used in the negative way. So I haven't really heard anybody say you reap what you sow when they're talking about, you know, going up in life or something positive happening to them. So it's like a type of a warning phrase that people use. And he says the mouth of the wolf and the eyes of the lamb. So it's like his eyes look innocent, but either he has like he's hungry for blood, he's drooling, or is more like sly, dangerous, venomous words, going back to the snake part. And then the darling, will you saturate rain, rain, water, getting things saturated. Maybe with blood. Saturated with blood.
I can hear you say my name. So rain down on me.
I can see the people in the audience chanting this part. Didn't know that part was coming in. I was just jamming to it. Yeah, that's a good song. As I jump over into these live versions, let me know how you feel about the song. What's make you feel like a little rain in the background? You guys go to sleep to white noise, little rain. But yeah, it's a good song. I can see what people
I'm done spending.
Factor. I can see what people do covers on it. It makes a lot of sense. It's a very coverable song. Let's go to the live version. I need to rewind it a little bit. All right. Got our bottle of water there, keeping the lips moist, saturated.
We love you. So long I have waited. So long that I almost became.
See everybody with their lights. I like that touch of the background singers.
Finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over. A moment to smile at me.
Getting ready.
Just like the rain,
Boom,
you
boom.
cast the dust into
Boom.
nothing. And wash out the salt from my hair. So touch me again, I'll feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? Some chemical cup that I can get down with, up like the moon and out like the hounds. A dangerous disposition, somehow refracted in light, reflected in sound. I'm coiled up like a venomous serpent, tangled in your trance and uncertain. You have got your hurt in me.
You know, these people listen to the song a lot. They know like every word. I was kind of looking at his shoulder pad, his shoulder plate there, and it kind of reminded me of like coral, and it had me thinking about like a lot of the sea elements or ocean elements he had in the last album, or even in this album. It's kind of interesting. I wonder if there's a connection between that. Like up here at the top, it's like coral, like a seashell, and it's like a lobster. How it's like white, but it's kind of like a lobster shell. How it's and a layer like that, and then it has like the little coral parts at the top. Kind of wonder if there's like a sea theme to it, ocean theme. Yeah, they're clapping. I don't hear them saying "rain down on me" though. They're going, oh, oh, oh. I thought we keep screaming it. He did not. He just did it the one time. But I caught the right before he did it. You know. Woo!
Dave's Hot Chicken.
Dave's Hot Chicken. You guys got Dave's Hot Chicken near you? There's one. There's a few near me. I don't know if they're all over the world or I'm just getting them because it's in my area, but I'm tired of seeing them. That's a good song. It's a very it sticks in your head, like just hearing "Rain Down on Me." But yeah, I wonder if I have the chops to cover this song. That would be kind of cool. I haven't really sung anything in a long time. Maybe one day. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about this particular song. Next song is Take Me Back to Eden, I think. We've done the original version already, so I'll probably just try to find a live version, or if there's not one, a cover version maybe, and listen to that and just go over the lyrics. I did it before where I wasn't really listening to the lyrics. I was just kind of like listening to the song. But now I've been kind of going on this journey from the beginning, and I want to hear all the lyrics and stuff. And I know people will be like, well, it's not about the lyrics, but I think words have meaning. So it's kind of interesting seeing what the words end up meaning. All right. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching this one, and then I'll catch you guys later. Peace.